Hi, my name is Tim Forshee, and I developed this AZCCW online course after over 30 years as a criminal defense attorney and after teaching Arizona CCW classes to over 50,000 students over these many years. This information discusses the critical topics required for you to obtain your Arizona Concealed Carry of Weapons permit. Even if you already have training and experience from Arizona or elsewhere, police officers, military, etc., it's still really smart to acquaint yourself with the actual laws of the state that you live in or spend time in. Quick, cheap, easy way to do that, and to prove in court that you did so, is to take this course. A lot of people say, why would you even need a CCW permit in Arizona? Arizona is one of the 21 states that doesn't require permits. There are 6 huge benefits to having your permit that you don't get without the permit. The first, of course, is the credibility that you gain from being able to prove that you spent time, money, and effort to get certified if, God forbid, you ever find yourself in court. The second one, which is probably the reason that most folks decide to get it, is the increase in the reciprocal recognition of your permit by other states. Without a permit, an Arizona resident can carry legally in 8 states. With a permit, an Arizona resident can carry legally in 38 states. That's pretty much most of the country that you can travel about unfettered with your firearm if you have an Arizona permit. If you don't have a permit, you can never take a firearm into a park. With a permit, you can. Without a permit, you can never take a gun into a bar or a restaurant that serves alcohol. With a permit, with a few other exceptions, you can. You don't have to undergo a NICS background check the next time you buy a firearm from a dealer. That's a huge time saver for a lot of folks, but for folks with very common names, it's a godsend because they oftentimes get delayed and have to go pick up the gun 3 days later. Your permit allows you to avoid that whole scenario. And then lastly, the Navajo Reservation recognizes any CCW permit issued by any United States state to be recognized on the Navajo Reservation, which is the largest and the most populous reservation in the United States. That's helpful if you're going to be going through or to the Navajo Reservation. So, whether you've carried concealed for many years or whether you're just trying to figure out right now whether concealed carry is right for you, or even if you just want to be able to protect your home in a more legally defensible and appropriate manner, this class will arm you with the knowledge that you need in order to be a prepared and responsible citizen. Unlike other instructors who teach Arizona CCW classes, in the event that you actually use your firearm or have questions about the law, my professional legal services are readily available to help you in case of an emergency. Most other CCW courses are taught by firearms experts who, frankly, have zero experience with the actual application of the law. A lot of misinformation is dealt out by these instructors. I've taken over 20 classes myself over the years, and it's astounding the amount of misinformation that is taught in many of these classes. Even, with all due respect, most police officers frankly know very little about the law. They know the Fourth Amendment quite well, they know arrest procedure quite well, but they know almost nothing about the actual courtroom procedure or the application of cases. Sorry to say, but most attorneys don't understand guns and self-defense either. My own law school spent a grand total of about 1 hour over 3 years covering self-defense and 0 time covering firearms law. Unlike other gun courses, this course discusses the legalities of the use of force laws specifically for Arizona. Additionally, this course will provide you with a number of valuable resources to start planning what we call your Safehouse Defense Strategy for your personal, family, and home protection. We'll provide you vetted options and recommendations for continued education, hands-on firearms instruction, and legal resources to give you the peace of mind that you're prepared if you're forced to defend yourself or your loved ones from a violent attack. You may easily sign up and take this online course 24/7. We offer some optional and additional services to streamline the entire process to make it easy and efficient for you. Don't delay. Get Arizona CCW certified today.